No retreat, this is insane. This might be the most exaggerated elephant toothpaste experiment I've ever seen. The principle of the elephant toothpaste experiment is, in a 35% hydrogen peroxide solution, add dish soap and food coloring. Then add a catalyst. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes to produce a lot of oxygen. This gas will be trapped by the soap. After mixing, a lot of foam will be produced quickly. Science enthusiasts from around the world are trying out this experiment, competing to see who can produce foam the fastest, and who can produce the most foam. Through numerous experiments, it's been shown, the choice of catalyst determines the speed of foam production. Using yeast as a catalyst produces oxygen relatively slowly, using potassium iodide and potassium nitrate. These two substances are the fastest catalysts for producing oxygen. For this helium-free experiment, the experimenters prepared 620 liters of 35% hydrogen peroxide. The first step is to pour this hydrogen peroxide solution into this 2,000-liter large container. They also prepared a large amount of potassium iodide as a strong catalyst. The catalyst is placed in this 90-liter trash can. Through this mechanism, the catalyst is poured into the large container, creating the largest-scale elephant toothpaste experiment in history. Next, a large amount of dish soap is poured into the container as a foaming agent, and entire bottles of dye are added as a coloring agent, stirring to make the color more even. To make the catalyst more effective, water needs to be added to the catalyst to form a solution. Waiting for everything to be ready, the team works together, each in their position. The catalyst is poured into the container with hydrogen peroxide through a rope. A large amount of foam erupts from the container. People scramble to get out of the way. A guy who didn't escape in time is cornered. It's estimated that nearly 200 cubic meters of foam were produced, flooding the entire roof with a sea of foam. This experiment only produces oxygen and water, so it's also an environmentally friendly and green experiment. If you're interested, you can try it out in an open space. You might even be able to set a world record or something.